Hi, in this video I will teach you the basics of the quantum mechanics. The topics that I'm going to cover in this video are the nature of an atom, radiation, and the fundamental forces of the nature. First of all, what is the nature of an atom? Atoms are the most basic unit of matter and defining the structure of elements. Atoms are made up of three particles protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are composed of even smaller particles such as quarks. Protons have positive charge, electrons have negative charge, and neutrons are neutral. Atom as a whole is electrically neutral because it contains equal number of protons and neutrons. Most of the space occupied by an atom is empty. Protons and neutrons reside in the center of an atom called nucleus, while electrons orbit around the nucleus in a circular orbits. Protons and neutrons are approximately the same mass. However, one proton is 1835 times heavier than an electron. Remember that adding a proton to an atom makes a new element, while adding a neutron makes an isotope or heavy version of that atom. Now we come to the radiations. One could think of them as colors not visible to the naked eye. So first of all, I will explain the X-rays and the gamma rays. These are understood to be very energetic photons. The source of X-ray is relatively well understood electron cloud, while the gamma radiation originates in the nucleus of an atom. Alpha radiation is understood to be an emission of a helium nucleus by a much heavier element, while beta radiation is simply the emission of an electron by the nucleus of an atom. And of course, cathode rays are known to be electrons ejected from the cloud surrounding the nucleus. So the nature of various types of radiation seem very clear to you. Now we come to the last topic, which is the fundamental forces of the nature. Basically, there are four fundamental forces of a nature. The first one is the gravitational force. It is the weakest force and has infinite range. It is always attractive and it acts between two pieces of a matter in the universe since mass is its source. Now we come to the weak nuclear force. It is the next weakest force than the gravitational force, but has a short range. The weak force is responsible for the radioactive decay and neutrino interactions. The weak force causes the beta decay. That is the conversion of a neutron into a proton, an electron, and an antineutrino. Now the question is, what is neutrino? I will explain this in next lecture. So now we come to electromagnetic force. It is the strongest force with an infinite range. It causes electric and magnetic effects. It can be attractive or repulsive and acts only between pieces of a matter carrying an electrical charge. Electricity, magnetism, and light all are produced by this force. Now the last one is strong nuclear force. It is the strongest but short range force. It is responsible for holding the nuclei of atoms together. It is basically attractive but can be effectively repulsive in some circumstances. This is all from this video. Thank you.